The board of directors shall present the financial statements before the shareholders for their approval. They have to present the financial statements before the shareholders for their approval at every annual general meeting of the company. There is always one annual general meeting of the company in which they will discuss the major points every year. So, financial statements you have to prepare like balance sheet and the statement of profit and loss. Objectives of preparing financial statement. Why we are preparing financial statements? To present true and fair view of financial performance. And to present true and fair view of financial performance, especially in relation to assets and liabilities and this relation to profit and loss. We are preparing the balance sheet to show the financial position, and we are preparing the statement of profit and loss to show the financial performance. Characteristics. Financial statements are related to past period and hence are historical documents, and they are expressed in terms of money, and financial statements show profitability through profit and loss account and financial statement through balance sheet. Financial statements are related to past based on historical concepts, and they are expressed in terms of money, and profitability is shown by statement of profit and loss account, and financial position is shown by the balance sheet. Now, characteristics of balance sheet. It portrays the relationship between equity and liability and assets. Balance sheet shows the relation between liabilities and assets. Then it is prepared on a particular date, not for a particular period. It is usually prepared at 31st March every year. It shows the financial position of the business according to going concern concept. It is not based on absolute facts, but it is influenced by accounting assumptions and personal judgments. These are some drawbacks also. So, characteristics of statements of profit and loss. It matches the revenues and expenses of an enterprise for a particular period. It is prepared for a particular period and not on a particular date. It is prepared for a past period and hence it is historical document. So, bache, this is the specimen of the balance sheet. According to Schedule 3, for preparing balance sheet and statement of profit and loss, balance sheet and statement of profit and loss of a company must be prepared as per the format given in Schedule 3. Schedule 3 does not offer any horizontal format. The new vertical format is as follows. You have to follow a vertical format. Earlier, in partnership, you have studied that liability side was on the left and right side we record the assets. That was horizontal format, but now we are going to do the vertical format. You have already studied in chapter 3 and 4. Balance sheet, you will write name of the company. Balance sheet of XYZ Limited as at 31st March 2017-18. Then figures of current year, figures of previous year. Note number. This is the particulars. The main part of the balance sheet is particulars. First, you will write the side. Name of the side is equity and liability side. At the top, equity and liability side, and at bottom, asset side will be recorded. So, equity and liability side, major heading, shareholders fund. And subheading, share capital, reserve and surplus, and this is excluded from the syllabus. Share capital, reserve and surplus, money received against share warrant. This is the major head, first major head, and these are the subheads. Then which is second is share application money pending allotment. This is also excluded. It will not be evaluated. Then which is third is non-current liability. The major head is non-current liability. Long-term liabilities are included and the subheads are long-term borrowings, deferred tax liability, other long-term liabilities, long-term provision. Basically, we include two things, bache, long-term borrowings, long-term provisions. Okay. Then current liabilities. This is the fourth major head. Short-term borrowings, which we have borrowed for short-term. Trade payables, it includes creditors in BP, other current liabilities and short-term provisions. This was the liability side of the balance sheet. Four major heads and their subheads. Now, asset side बचे non-current assets, major head non-current asset, then subhead fixed assets, and in fixed asset we include four things: tangible assets, all assets which are touchable, seen, which can be seen and touched, that is tangible, like land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, motor vehicle, etc. Intangible assets which cannot be seen and touched: goodwill, patents, copyright, computer softwares, etc. Then capital work in progress. Any capital work in progress. We are constructing some building or anything, that is also capital work in progress. Then intangible assets under development. Intangible assets under development. Then bache B, non-current investments. Non-current investments. Then deferred tax asset and long-term loans and advances which you have given to someone. Then other non-current assets. This was your major head, non-current assets. Now second major head is current assets. And subheads are given: current investment, inventories, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalent, short-term loans, and other current assets. So the total of 1 year should be equal for both the things, assets and liabilities. This is which a vertical presentation of the balance sheet. This is vertical presentation of balance sheet. So what is the difference between company's balance sheet and firm's balance sheet? Partnership you have already done. Firm's balance sheet and company's balance sheet. Format and contents. Company's balance sheet. Format and contents of a company's balance sheet must be in accordance with Schedule 3rd, Part 1 of Companies Act 2013. There is no statutory format or